Hey guys, this is Zevin from DMC. Now, in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you will be able to watch an online workshop using your mobile phone, okay? So if, let's say, you don't have an extended screen at home, okay, you're only having one laptop and you would like to join some online classes, and this is what happens, right? When the moment that you are viewing the online workshop, if this is a practical workshop, at the same time, you are required to follow the lecture step by step on your laptop. So what happens will be when the moment that you are on this screen that you are working on, you won't be able to see the screen the presenter is presenting. So this will be the setup that you'll be setting. One phone to assist you to look at the online workshop, and another laptop will be joining in as in your practicals assignment. Okay, so first of all, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, if you are using your mobile phones, right, first things over right here, okay, you will be able to, you need to make sure that you install an app first. Okay, so over right here, if you are on the Play Store, okay, if you're on Android, you need to go to your Google Play Store. Okay, if you're on Apple, you need to go to your App Store. Yep, over right here, inside your Play Store, you need to search for something called Google Meet. Okay, so once you're at Google Meet, over here, first thing you need to install first. Okay, right after you install to this Google Meet, right now you need to open. Okay, and currently, I'm actually over right here. I have already joined into a meeting. But when you first start this, if you can see from here, right? When you first join in and you log into your Google Meet, you'll be able to see two things. One is new meeting, and second is join with a code. Okay, so what will happen is that usually you will be given a code for you to join in the meeting. Okay, so what you can do is that you can come over to here, join with a code, and then you enter the code that's being given to you. Right after you enter, you will actually able to join into the meeting. Okay, now, but one of the biggest mistake that people usually will do is that when they first join in, automatically your mic, your audio, and your cam will be turned on, and at the same time you are also joining into your laptop. So when two screen is being shown, what will happen is that they will have a very noisy frequency sound that is going on, and this is how it goes. Yeah, so let's say over right here, when the moment that you join in, you'll hear this sound. You hear this? It's like the audio sounds behind is very, very noisy because you are currently having two screens at the same time, also joining in as your audio. So this is what you need to do. Okay, when the moment that if you hear the noisy sounds, right, immediately, first thing, very fast, this is what you do. At the mobile phones right here, you need to mute yourself. Okay, at the mobile phone, you need to mute yourself. If I unmute, you will be able to hear some noisy sounds at the background. Yeah, you hear that? Okay, so it's very, very noisy. Yep, so very fast, you need to come here and you need to mute yourself. Once you mute yourself, everything is all good already. Okay, but right now your screen is still showing a very small screen right here. So what I will suggest you is that to do a rotation and allow your screen to rotate into this. Okay, so then you'll be having a bigger screen right now. Okay, so this is what happens. Yeah, right after that, when the moment that you're having a bigger screen from here, you will be able to show and to watch the online class, and at the same time follow through your practical learnings right here. Okay, so that's basically in this video that I would like to give you a small tips and on how you can actually set up your mobile phone and at the same time your desktop together without any interference of the background noise. And that's all. You can leave a comment below and let me know whether or not it helps you, and I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.